Porcupines, guardians of the wild. Unveiling nature's prickly wonders and timeless tales.
By AI for Kids. In the heart of the forest, the quiet guardian the porcupine steals the show. A symbol of survival and adaptation, it charms with its quills and enthralls with its role in nature and culture. Join us on a journey through the life and legacy of this enigmatic creature. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The Prickly Protector.
In the quiet forest of North America, the porcupine stands as a testament to nature's unique designs. With a coat of barbed quills covering its body, this fascinating creature is equipped with the ultimate defense mechanism. These quills, while not poisonous, embed painfully into any predator foolish enough to attack, ensuring the porcupine's survival in the wild.
Our story begins in a serene forest. The porcupine appears, weaving through the underbrush, demonstrating the brilliance of nature with spikes that shimmer under the dappled sunlight. The world can be perilous, but equipped with nature's armor, I journey on, unfazed by threats.
A day in the forest.
Porcupines are creatures of habit, residing in the lush environments of North America's forests. Their presence can be traced by the gentle rustling of leaves as they forage for their favorite meals, bark and foliage. By night, these nocturnal wanderers come to life, exploring and consuming their woodland home, contributing to the ecological balance.
As night falls, the forest transforms into a bustling ecosystem. The porcupine emerges as a vigilant nocturnal forager, its movements deliberate yet unhurried. The forest is my sanctuary. Here, under the starry sky, I thrive and find sustenance.
Nature as architect.
Through its diet of trees and bark, the porcupine actively shapes its environment. Its preference for young trees and branches opens the forest canopy, fostering biodiversity. This subtle craftsmanship is essential for maintaining the health and variety within these essential habitats, showing how even small creatures contribute to greater ecological systems.
The porcupine ambles beneath the trees, transforming the landscape bit by bit. With each bite, it unwittingly sculpts the vibrant tapestry of its domain. Each meal is a small act of creation, weaving the threads of this living forest.
The quiet sentinel.
Solitary by nature, the porcupine spends much of its time alone, moving with slow, deliberate grace. This quiet existence belies a profound resilience and intelligence, as it navigates its treed territory, understanding the subtle rhythms and secrets of the forest.
In the stillness of the woods, the porcupine's movements seem almost meditative. Unrushed, it reflects the enduring calm of its environment. Content in solitude, I embrace the whisper of trees and the symphony of nature's solitude.
The life cycle.
Each year, the porcupine enters a radiant cycle of life, defined by the mating calls in late summer or autumn. Following a lengthy gestation, a single offspring enters the world, hardy and prepared for life with soft quills that slowly harden. This new birth ensures the continuity of its lineage, a symbol of life's enduring march.
Under the watchful gaze of ancient trees, life unfolds. A newborn porcupine, with curious eyes and tender quills, takes its first steps in the world. In every birth lies a promise of continuity, the echo of yesterday nurturing tomorrow.
Guardians of the green.
Despite the challenges of modern ecosystems like habitat loss and the specter of hunting, porcupines are deemed least concern. Their populations remain stable. As custodians of the forest, they maintain their watch, ensuring their legacy as symbols of resourcefulness and adaptation.
In this sanctuary of green, the porcupine stands stalwart, a guardian protected by resilience yet vulnerable to mankind's encroaching hand. Though unseen, my presence lingers, a testament to survival amidst the evolving wilderness.
Cultural echoes.
Through the ages, porcupines have woven themselves into the lore and beliefs of indigenous cultures. Seen as introspective and resourceful, these creatures embody qualities revered across traditions, reminding us of the virtues that nature instills in those who contemplate its mysteries.
Among the whispered legends of the elders, porcupines sit, their stories etched in time, offering lessons hidden in quills and quiet strength. Elders speak of my journey, a shared path that binds the past and present in silent dialogues.
The compact overseer.
Size and demeanor mask the porcupine's true influence. As these balanced creatures continue to impact their ecosystems and cultural perspectives, they remind us of nature's profound capacity to blend strength and subtlety, aggression and tranquility, within its majestic harmony.
In the orchestra of life, the porcupine contributes its unique thread, a delicate weave of spines and spirit, silently overseeing the symphony of coexistence. Tiny yet colossal, my influence dances invisibly, a masterstroke in nature's unfolding story.